Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Far Cry 4 black screen error. This error is occurring because of if you have dual core PC, that's why it is not detecting it. So what you have to do is to download the dual core fix. This one it is. I will put the link of this in video description. So what you have to do is to download it, and once the download is complete you have to extract these files into your game directory. I have already done that, so I will not do it again. And you can see you have to paste them here, and before opening the game you have to open this extreme injector, and once it is open you can see this is the dual core DLL. If it is not available here, go to add DLL and select this dual core, this one, and open it, and just leave it here in minimize, and then open the game, and it will fix your problem. So you can see the